Hey y'all, it's Margaux from Ronimargaux. Thank you so much for coming back to my video. And if you are new here, welcome. Take off your shoes and relax your feet. Let's get into this video. So right now, this is a 15-ounce duo tumbler from Stainless Steel Company. The spray paint that is on this tumbler is purple lilac, I think. Everything will be in the description box. You already know. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section and I will surely get back to you. Definitely. So right now I'm applying epoxy to the tumbler so I can apply my glitter. This is a 15 ounce, so this may have been 2 mLs. So when you do the epoxy method, you don't want a lot of epoxy on your tumbler because the epoxy will soak the glitter up. It will look way. That's not the look that we're going for. You see this beautiful purple? This beautiful color. This is Enchanted from Glitter Heart Co. Of course, it will be in the description box, and I do have a code for 5% off of your order. This is one of them glitters. Is a purple holographic glitter. This is one of them glitters that I just want to put on everything. When I open this glitter up and put it on this tumbler, I'm like, oh yeah, who else like purple? Everybody get a purple cup. This glitter is so pretty by itself, but you know, we extra over here on this channel. We just had to go above and beyond, like light year, honey. You know, this was good. You can keep it here, you know, add a name. Well, epoxy at first, and then, you know. So right here, I want to say it's 2 coats of epoxy on this tumbler. Between each coat, I did sand. Right now, I am going in with 3 purple paints, acrylic paints. The first purple I am using is a metallic purple from, I don't even know, but it will be in the description box. And this second purple is, I want to say they all by the same brand, just different purples. I really enjoyed this cup. Between this part and the foil part, my favorite parts of making this cup. It was really, really, it was out of my comfort zone. Would I make a tumbler like this for me? I don't know. Yeah, I don't even know when last time. You know what? Let me shut up because I'm making a tumbler for me right now. This was fun. So the only thing I did was just drag it from the bottom. Some I wanted going down, some I wanted going up. And I just made sure that each color had 4 lines on the tumbler, going around the tumbler. And I made sure to get the bottom. As you can see, I did not glitter the bottom because I glittered my tumbler on the tumbler turner. It's not saying that because it was on the tumbler turner I couldn't take it off. I just didn't want to. Normally when I do, when I glitter cups, I will do the epoxy method, but I would do the hang method. So the bottom so I can glitter the bottom and without all that hassle. I will put it on this stand, that's the tumbler stand right there, and epoxy it and glitter it. But here we go, right now, okay, look. So I done put some of the foil up there, using the heat gun to dry the tack it glue, because that's what I used, was the tack it. I don't know if you use Mod Podge. I have not used Mod Podge. Tack it worked, and you know, if it's not broke, don't fix it. These strips of foil, this is nail foil. This did come from Amazon. I'm not sure if you can find the snakeskin in a larger format. But I like these colors because the person that I made this for, they said they like purple, and these were the 3 to 4 purple snakeskin foils that was in the pack. So, in my opinion, when you heat up the foil, it sticks better. That's just my opinion. It worked for me. It's still gonna work even if you don't heat it up. I just felt like it worked better when I heated it up. Again, you do not have to heat the foil up. But this was very fun. I was going back and forth with different size brushes, so see, you can see it there. So the foils can be different sizes. When I went into making this tumbler, I didn't want everything to be the same width, like the brush strokes, because I only use one brush for the paint strokes. So I'm using my heat gun. And you can wait, but I'm just impatient. Like, this was really fun to do. And when stuff is really fun, I'm like, oh, I want to finish it so I can see the outcome. Now, note, okay? So this tumbler right here that you're seeing now is not the same tumbler that you're going to see at the end of the pictures. I don't know what happened. I don't know because I don't know. But this tumbler, it kept giving me a wet spot and I couldn't get it off. So I had to throw the tumbler out. Do not give people tumblers with wet epoxy on it. That is dangerous. That can kill them. So, I sanded the tumbler, re-epoxied it, sanded it some more, re-epoxied it. Still had a wet spot, so I had to throw it away. But I did the same thing for this tumbler to the one that you will see at the end. I have a post on TikTok about it. The only thing that's different between this tumbler and the tumbler that I posted on TikTok is the font. I found a font that I like more. So, and the strips are small, so you ain't getting that much, you know. But I think the pack did come with 10 packs of 10 packs of foil. So that's a good thing. So we finishing the tumbler up and we gon' so after this foil application, this did get one more coat of epoxy. Then I put the name decal over the epoxy tumbler. Then I went in with 2 more coats of epoxy. Thank you guys for coming to watch the video. I had so much fun creating this tutorial, this cup. See you in the next one. Bye.